The Ekho heat sensor is a wireless device designed for use within Hochiki's Ekho hybrid wireless system, operating within a wireless mesh network and transmitting and receiving radio signals via the Ekho Translator or an Ekho Expander. The sensor responds to the presence of heat and will activate either when a temperature threshold is exceeded, fixed temperature, or where the temperature rises sharply over time, rate of rise. The unit comes supplied with fixings and two pre-fitted backup batteries. The housing is made of white, non-combustible ABS plastic, consisting of two parts, a mounting base featuring fixing holes, and the sensor itself. On the front face of the sensor, there is an LED status indicator and a temperature thermistor located under the indicator. To remove the sensor, twist it counterclockwise from its base. The following components are located on the rear of the sensor section: primary battery, secondary battery, located beneath the primary, programming button. The device can be learned onto an Ekho hybrid wireless system, either using the OLED screen and programming buttons inside the Ekho Translator module, or via the free Ekho Configurator software. Ekho from Hochiki,